Day 32. I've been running every other day, walking some. I only miss day 30. And it's about 12 minutes run, but I've not been feeling too good health wise. But I push, traveled, but I'm back in my city. Wise word for today: the rains will come. The rains will come. The thing that triggers harvest will come. So prepare for it. Plant the seeds, do what is necessary because the rains will come. The rains will fucking come. That's the wise word. I have a hill in front of me, and I'm going to attempt to climb it and get home. I didn't go as far as I usually go. My excuse is that I'm recovering, but that don't mean shit. I'll run again.